A man sells you a land that belongs to his grandfather. He calls the elders, they sign. You make payments and you start celebrating. It's good. Everywhere is all rosy, perfect transaction. Now, 3-4 years down the line, another branch of the same family appears at your front gate with a lawyer. Now, they tell you that the man that sold that land to you has no legal right to sell that land. Now, to make matters worse, the court agrees with them. This is not hypothetical. This is exactly what is happening in Enugu State. I'm not telling a story. It happens in Enugu State. It even happens more than people admit to it. And today, I'm telling you exactly why and how to protect yourself. To understand why family land is so dangerous, you need to understand one legal principle. You see, under the Land Use Act of 1978, every land is vested in the state governor. Now, before that act, large expanse of land was owned communally by lineages, passed down from generation to generation. Now, you see this land is what they call family land. Most people call it Obi land, or anybody, they'll say, Aniabo Obiai. Do you understand? So it's like a very precious land that doesn't need to be tampered with. Now, here's the problem with family land. It is not owned by one single person. It belongs collectively to every branch of the family, both the present and future. This means the sale of a family land legally requires the consent of every family member. Because I hear this a lot. This is the person we used to talk with. This is the person we used to talk with. This is the person that we know. We've been negotiating with him. No. Family land transaction, it is not done by one person. It's not owned by one person. So you need to have that at the back of your mind. There are reasons why these transactions, they fail. So I'm going to give you 3 reasons why family land transactions collapse. Number 1, incomplete family representation. You see, some elders who sign that consent form may actually be representing just one branch of the multi-branched family. Listen carefully. Without documented multi-branch consent, that transaction is legally contestable. So if just one branch agrees, the other branch can go to court and contest that this land still belongs to them, and they can reclaim it. That's the problem. So you need to make sure that you have consent from all the branches of the family before you buy that land. So number 2 is no government issued title. Any family land that has never been converted to a formal government title, like a C of O, has no single government recognized owner. I hope you understand. Let me break it down. You see that family land, if it has never been converted to a formal government title, like a C of O, for example, that land, it has no single government recognized owner. And this thing, it makes it impossible to defend during title disputes. So it's very important to understand if that land has a government title. If it doesn't have a government title, it means that that land is owned by the family. So number 3 is no independent legal oversight. Many family land transactions happen formally without a lawyer conducting due diligence on who has the authority to authorize the sale. Understand that a lawyer that is paid by the seller usually has conflict of interest. So you as the buyer, you as the person that is bringing out those millions to buy the family land, you need your own lawyer to conduct your due diligence with your interest at heart. I know why I'm saying this. So it's very important that you are the one to employ a lawyer to conduct that due diligence, because he will make sure that he looks deep into the people that have authority over that land, the family members that have say and that are involved in that land, without leaving any stone unturned. What I want you to do right now is to share this video. There's someone in your network that is about finalizing a family land transaction without understanding a single thing I just mentioned. Just one share can save his entire investment. Now, tomorrow is day 8 and we are shifting from protection to opportunity. I'm going to show you 3 locations that are experiencing the highest ROI return right now in the city of Enugu State, why the prices are moving that high, and the best way to position yourself and enjoy the very same returns. Trust me when I say this, you don't want to miss that video. My name is Nwaizu Dunstan, your favorite property guy right here in the city of Enugu State. I'll see you tomorrow.